lovely peoples. So today is my day of soaping with smells that I absolutely detest. just done the blah, 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 blah. Let's try that again. I've just done Dragon's Blood, which was like, ugh. And now I'm doing a fragrance which I call Free Spirit, which is vanilla, patchouli and sandalwood. So, apart from the vanilla, it's disgusting, and you can't smell vanilla in it anyway. Yeah, so, this is foul smelling day today. It's just like, no, just no. Alright. This actually does discolour. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to colour this. What I'm going to do is I haven't mixed the lye in yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the colour in. Flipping chipmunk, 1 spoon with titanium dioxide on it. That's alright, that's what aprons are for. Okay, so we're going to go, let's go about that much. Let's go about that much. And I'm going to put, I've got Indigo Sparkle, which actually does, let's just use it all because I don't have any more. And, oh no, I broke my peg. Shit. I had an itty bitty baby peg holding the thingy on. Shit. I don't know how to fix that. I do, but I don't have the time to do it right now. I don't know where the lid is for this thing, so I've just put a stick in there and, no, never mind. There are sauce bottles upstairs with lids. Okay, so now I'm going to, did I put any of that in there? I didn't, did I? I don't think I did. Well, if I didn't, I put more in there now. God. I'm just going to mix this until it's emulsified. A bit of a scrapey of the sides. I'm going to give the sides a scrapey of the sides. Wow. Hello, English skills. Why have you deserted me? Oh dear. I'm just trying to get as much done as I can today before I just give up. I'm going to make Japanese cherry blossom next because I don't like it either. And then I think that's it. What do we got? Juicy watermelon, 50 shades of vanilla, lemongrass and Persian lime, vanilla caramel. There's nothing else that I hate. Yay! Nothing else that I hate. So, Japanese cherry blossom and this. So let's get these done. Now, because this discolours, the base is going to be this colour. It will still discolour anyway, there's not much I can do about that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a simple drop swirl. I'm going to pour off some of this and put black in it. I might actually do a good chunk of it. So I usually don't, what's that? I don't know if that's milk or, I don't know, and I actually don't care. That's how I'm soaping today. Oh, I'm soaping like I'm living. I'm just not caring. Like the car's sitting out there, still doesn't go. I walked to the post office yesterday, it nearly killed me. I do not want to do that again. Really. And I'm exactly fine with that because I didn't care if it went a dark purple or just black. Oh, I was not caring either way. So let us put this in here because I've forgotten how it behaves. So it's fine. So I'm going to give it a quick whiz. And there, my theory is once again, I always say if a fragrance is going to discolour, it gets this weird icky shit on top. I'll show you what it looks like up close. See how it kind of looks like, I don't know, it's very gunky looking. Kind of, I don't know, it's just almost like spit. That's it, I'm so sorry. But when you stick blend this fragrance that discolours, I usually see that. And I don't know if I'm making shit up. You know, anecdotal evidence is just that. It's anecdotal, it's not actual proof of anything other than it just happened one time to me, well a couple of times to me. But yeah. This stuff stinks. I don't like it. Although I got to admit, it's better than the Dragon's Blood, so there's that. And apparently, it's really well behaved. There you go. Usually you find those earthy scents can be a bit of a bitch. It's because they stink. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Shit. Okay, so this is going to be fun. Let's see how much mess I can make. I need these little smell me containers, the little smell me soaps for the markets, so I can have all my soaps wrapped up but people can still smell them. Oh well, wasn't as bad as I was expecting. Oh look, my hands smell anyway, so why not? Okay, so we don't have to worry about this doing anything stupid, so we can just mix it with the spatula and try not to... I got a whiff of it then, holy cannoli. So this is set up quicker, this black. Sometimes colours play differently. It's funny, isn't it, how that happens? Right, so I'm just going to pour this in here, like that. And then the rest of this, I'm going to pour from a height. So I'm going to put this over here, and it'll be about my shoulder height, or as high as I can, without making an absolute shonkin mess. And that's it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a good whack. And another good whack. Where's the cupboard? Loads of bubbles. Loads of them. Now what I'm going to try and do here, because there's a lot of purple still on the top, is I'm just going to try and put this down one side. Just because then if I do like an infinity swirl on the top, we might be able to drag a bit of purple over to that. And a bit of black over to the other side. I don't know if it'll work. And it's going to look, I'll hate it tomorrow when I cut it, because there'll be this chunk of black sitting on the top, and that will annoy me. But the top will look good. So there's, you know, it's all about the vanity shots. Soap is an Instagram whore. That's all there is to it. She loves looking pretty on the Insties. So, there's really no way I'm going to get that to pop down in there and be even. So, there's not much I can do about it. See if I can just get some swirls happening in this one. That'll do. Alright, so for this one, what we're going to do is I'm just going to just go backwards and forwards, trying to pull it across, which it's doing its job very well. Beautiful. I'm also going to go around the outside, and then that starts to create a pull. I think I'm going to go any further than that. I think I'm just going to leave it. I like it like that. And that is a very successful top, in my opinion. Oh, I think it looks very nice. Quite happy with that. I can never clean these tops up without wrecking everything, so I shouldn't do it. I should just leave it. But she's got to look pretty for Instagrams. I know, I'm a dickhead. Oh, smelly dickhead, that's what I... So smelly. Alright. So, yeah, that dragon's blood, well, this one, I only did that probably, what, 10 minutes ago? 15 minutes ago, maybe? She hard. She hard already. I am not glittering this. I'm quite in love with this top, as it is. No, I have cord in the way. I think that top is just perfect just the way it is, so I love it! I'll have to go upstairs and get some more paper towel. All the paper towels are upstairs. I've got to hope that I've got a Woolies delivery coming in 2 hours, 3 hours maybe, with olive oil. Let's hope they come through for me. Apparently it's pretty hard to get these days. Alright, well, I'm going to take photos and stuff, so I'll see you for the cutting. Let's hope it doesn't discolour too stupidly and that inside looks as lovely as I hope it does. Ta-da. Okay, so this is going to look like crap. Look at the colour on the top. It'll focus in a second. That's the colour on the top now. It was this colour when I came down yesterday. So the sides are still purple. But they will not be for very long, I wouldn't imagine. Which is it's a pity. But there's not very much I can do about it, unfortunately. I probably just won't make this as a soap again, and if I do, I'll probably just make it a really dark colour. But yeah, clearly light purple's just not going to cut it. Or dark purple for that matter. There we go. That's a pretty cool swirl. I don't know. I mean, this colour, it's basically black. Shouldn't discolour. It doesn't. It has, although it has on the top. So yeah, no, it's just really ugly. Really ugly. Hopefully, it'll be the smell that sells it, because you know, it is a pretty popular smell in candles. So, but because I do the candle purple, I wanted to do the soap purple, even knowing it would discolour. So there you go. There's not much you can do. You can use I have no brain function today. I had a really bad night's sleep. But yeah, the stuff that you put in there to stop the soap from discolouring, which I can't think of what it's called at the moment, doesn't tend to work for any length of time. So I don't know that this soap, it kind of looks like the head of something. I don't know, like a seal, or I don't know. I'm seeing things now. Yeah, it doesn't work for long enough. Like if I sold all these soaps within like 2 weeks of them curing, then it might be alright. But you know, sometimes I don't sell soaps for 6 months. It depends. Depends on the soap. Depends on sales, whether things sell or not. But anyway, yeah. So